Hello viewers, this is 2024 NECO Chemistry Objective number 10. It says a mixture of sodium chloride, ammonium chloride and barium can be separated by A. Addition of water followed by filtration, then sublimation. B. Addition of water followed by sublimation, then filtration. C. Fractional crystallization. D. Fractional distillation. E. Sublimation followed by addition of water, then filtration. Let us consider the three sorts, their physical properties, because the physical properties are the things that a chemist bases on to judge the type of separation technique. Now look at these two sorts, they are related. They are chlorides, and in solubility rule, chlorides are generally soluble, except those of except few of them, those of certain metals like silver chloride and what have you. Barium sulfate, sulfate salts are generally soluble except those of barium and certain other metals, which means we can confirm that barium sulfate is insoluble and these two chlorides are soluble. Now, solubility characteristics notified. Let us now go into the individual characteristics. In the option, you can see sublimation. Is there any of these that can sublime? Ammonium chloride can sublime. So we mark that. Let's go to physical state. These three sorts, all of them are solids. They are solids, solids, solids. Now, we start from the most convenient separation techniques. Since all of them are solids, what can we do to these solids to separate them? First of all, if we heat the mixture, ammonium chloride will sublime off, which means sublimation should start first. When ammonium chloride leaves, it remains barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Barium sulfate is insoluble in water. Sodium chloride is soluble in water. Therefore, we can take advantage of this solubility to remove barium sulfate from the mixture by pouring water to dissolve sodium chloride and leaving barium sulfate undissolved, so that at the end of the day, we can filter this barium sulfate off. So the sequence is from sublimation, you add water to dissolve sodium chloride, leaving barium chloride undissolved, which will now necessitate filtration. So sublimation and filtration are the main separation techniques carried out here. A says addition of water followed by filtration and then sublimation, meaning that if you add water here, these two will dissolve. Barium sulfate will not dissolve. You filter it. After filtering, you now sublime this. It would have been good, but the work will be more cumbersome because you will need to heat the solution that has sodium chloride and ammonium chloride aqueous. Heat it until you evaporate the water. Before this, we start subliming. But E is better. Why not take these solids, heat them together so that this one will sublime off, and then you add water and filter. This will be easier than this. But this is still possible. But since this one is easier to carry out, E is the correct option. Follow for more and do have a nice day. Bye.